A local daycare owner is firing back after health officials closed his center for being unsafe and unsanitary. We're talking about Tip Top Child Development Center, which is near Las Vegas Boulevard and Silverado Ranch Boulevard. That's where 8 News Now reporter Orko Manna joins us now live with what he's hearing from both sides tonight. Orko?
Well, Denise, the doors here at Tip Top Child Development Center are closed, and they'll stay that way until the violations are fixed. The owner tells me he was blindsided by the reported safety issues inside, but the health district says it saw plenty to be concerned about.
There were hazards to children in care where they would suffer a life-changing or life-ending injury.
Dangerous and dirty. That's how the Southern Nevada Health District is describing Tip Top Child Development Center. Health officials shut down the daycare on Tuesday.
There were so many factors in place, violations, that warranted a closure because the children could have easily been injured or could the spread of disease.
According to a child care inspection report obtained by 8 News Now, there were 62 violations. There were several physical safety hazards, including sharp screws and electrical wiring within reach of children. There were also gross and unsanitary conditions throughout the facility.
That they weren't using gloves properly or weren't washing their hands properly.
The health district says the long list of sanitation violations include staff changing multiple children's diapers and not washing their hands in between, as well as staff not adequately cleaning all surfaces. Toys and floors throughout the child care center were also excessively dirty.
Because of the conditions there at the facility, there may have been an increased risk of illness.
This was just a problem that occurred out of the blue.
But the daycare owner tells me he is shocked by the reported violations. He says they've never had these problems in the past, except for an issue with the plumbing. He says the children were never in any danger.
There's nothing that happened at the daycare that would have caused any harm to any child or caused any illness to any child. It was a very emotional time. I mean, it's very important to us that we get the center back open.
We only do 1 or 2 of these closures a year.
The health district says it's rare to shut down one of the hundreds of daycares they inspect, but they say the reason here is clear.
The children in care were not safe.
Now, Tip Top tells me that they are working hard to correct the violations. In fact, there are several people inside the facility here right now trying to fix everything. Once they do, the health district says that it will train staff on how to identify sanitation issues and potential hazards. There's no timeline for when the daycare will reopen, but it could be as soon as a week or two. Reporting live, Orko Manna, 8 News Now.
Orko, thank you.